Do you know why I recommend that people should do a consult for hair transplant with me, and why I don't talk on the phone about prices and techniques? Please watch this video. I'm going to load the full video on YouTube, and this is just going to be a teaser. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon, and the last 10 years or so we've done nearly 5,000 hair transplants. I get a call all the time. Please tell me the cost on phone. Please consult me on phone. Please tell me the techniques. Tell me, how does that help you? I give you a cost of 40,000. Will you do a transplant? You don't even know what technique you are doing. I give you a cost of 1 lakh. Will you say no? You don't even know what I'm doing. I may be doing far better things. This transplant in Dubai may cost you 20 lakhs. What I'm doing for 1 lakh, it may be far better for you. You don't know that. Do you know that when you ask me the technique, do you even know the difference between graft and follicle? Probably not. Watch this video on YouTube so that you get full knowledge of why you should consult a specialist. So you just heard why I specially recommend that you should consult and not be focused on a phone call. First, I will discuss with you difference between grafts and follicles. I will discuss with you different techniques. Why is FUT better, or why is FUE? What are the problems with FUE? What are the pros and cons of the different techniques? Why DHI process is not as great as it is made out to be? Why robotic transplant could be a good option for you? How do we assess long hair transplant is good for you or not good for you? So these are a lot of questions which I just cannot explain on the phone. Costings, so much of it depends on the quality of hair, how much hair we can take out, what areas to be covered, what is the eventual plan. Cost comes right at the end. It is not the first thing that you discuss. Then I need to assess what is your requirement. Can we do a smaller transplant and get a better result, or do we want to do a very large transplant? Without seeing you, how do I assess what is your hair density? I'm just on phone, we are just talking theoretically. It doesn't make any sense to you. It doesn't give you any information. Neither are you benefiting in terms of the technique, how we are going to do the procedure, nor are you getting any idea of a cost. When somebody calls me, I say hair transplant costs between 50,000 to 2 lakhs. How does that help you? It doesn't. Which of this where you fit in, nobody knows. So please make an effort, because it's for you, it's your own head. That 45 minutes sitting with me can totally transform your life, and that's a promise. You can come to meet us and talk to us, take an appointment on 9811 994417. Please subscribe to this channel, because you're going to get a lot of exciting videos ahead.